everyone. Happy New Year. I hope your 2024 is starting out to be the best that you want it to be. For today's video, I'm going to flip through the Aura, Estelle, and Annie Plans Weekly Essential, and this is the B6 size. This is dated, and this is the first time that I used this planner. So it took some getting used to, but I ended up really liking it. It's very compact, so if you don't have like a ton of plans, or if you just want to jot down like very key things, then this is a really good option. I'm gonna do this flip through the way that I've been doing my other flip throughs. So I'm gonna do like a chatty version in the front, explaining where I got the stickers and any thought processes behind it. And then I'm gonna do the flip through again, but without talking. So you can skip to that if you prefer, or you can listen to me ramble. All right, let's start the flip through. So this is how my front cover ended up, and I don't really plan this. I kind of just add stickers throughout the year as I get them. So most of these were freebies. This is washi tape that I bought, obviously, but yeah, so just kind of my collection. This is the World sticker from Tarot. These are stickers that my friend gave me. This is a full page monorail sticker from No White Space Stickers. And this I got on sale in March, so I don't actually start planning until, what is this, the last week? Yeah, the last week of March. So this was my very first spread, and I use this as my work planner. So I just have my meetings here, any like to-dos for work that are really pressing that week. And then on this side, I use it as a tracker for what I need to do for YouTube. It's been working out pretty well. This is the way I do it pretty much the whole year, and I like it. I don't worry too much about the meetings changing because I have Outlook for that. And of course, nothing stays 100% what it is when I put this out on Monday. So the months I don't really use too much, just kind of note like if I'm out of town or if there's something that, or if I'm off work. This is No White Space Stickers Disneyland washi. So this is See Amy Draw washi, and then the stickers are from Passion Planner. Same washi, and then this is also from See Amy Draw. And you can see just kind of, this is like simple, but I still really like it, even though it's really plain. Same thing with this, like just some pink and washi. The same washi I showed you earlier from No White Space Stickers. This is Passion Planner. And then this is No White Space Stickers washi again. Same washi here. See, this is just like black and white, but I really like it. This is Little Magic Prince stickers, and then this washi is from Honeybee Shop. Another really simple spread. So this is Disneyland washi from No White Space Stickers, and then this is from a large Happy Planner Mickey and Minnie seasonal book. And I apologize for any rattling in the back. My cats have decided to play. This is the same Mickey and Minnie sticker book, and it came with these flowers too. This is really old Bando washi. June, we have Small World washi from No White Space Stickers, but you see I didn't even fill this in. This week I got COVID, no planning. This is from See Amy Draw, the Planners Assemble. Also old Bando washi. And on top of it is layered this clear washi. This is from Honeybee Shop. So again, like just pink and washi, and I think it came out really nice. I guess I'm a minimalist. This is No White Space Stickers from a long time ago, and the stickers are from Passion Planner. Also the same Passion Planner book here. No White Space Stickers. This, I was out of town for work, but I didn't fill it in. It was just so busy. This is some washi tape that my friend gave me. Here are just random stickers that I had. So I think these are from old Happy Planner books, and this is, I don't even know from where. This is the Snacks washi tape from No White Space Stickers. I have a lot of her washi tape, if you can't tell. Oh, this one was really cute. This is old washi tape that somebody gave me, and these are See Amy Draw stickers. This is also from See Amy Draw. I had gotten one of her sad sacks, which is like oops or discontinuations. It's like a coffee theme, so that's cute. I like the way the letters of the weekly here. Okay, this was a really busy month. This is the Epcot washi tape from No White Space Stickers. I had a lot going on this month. A lot of people came to visit. This was new washi from, both of these are from Little Magic Prints and then Passion Planner sticker book. This is No White Space washi, and then that big Mickey and Minnie seasonal book that I talked about earlier. This is still a part of that Little Magic Prints washi tape set that I got, and then Passion Planner. These stickers are from a really old Recollections book that I got from Michaels. These are so cute. This little Star Wars theme from See Amy Draw, and then that Disneyland washi from No White Space Stickers. This is from Little Magic Prints. That same Mickey Mouse washi I showed you earlier, Passion Planner. This is also from No White Space Stickers. Same. So some months I don't fill it in. That's just, you know, reality. This is, oh, I love this washi tape. You'll see me use it a lot. This is from Honeybee Shop. And then this is that old Recollection sticker book again. October. These are all washi tapes from No White Space Stickers. Oh, this is a really old Honeybee Shop sticker book I had. The Disney Villains. This is cute. This is from, all of these are from No White Space Stickers. I really like the little maid and the Doom Buggy. These little ghosts are so cute. They're from this Happy Planner seasonal fall book. This one too. And the washi is from Honeybee Shop. It came in a set, a matching one of the smaller and then the thicker. These are Oogie Boogie stickers from Creativity and Ink. And then that was the same See Amy Draw washi. This I had since last year because I went to Oogie Boogie last year. I didn't go this year, but I still put it in here because it was cute. This is Epcot washi tape from No White Space Stickers. And then this little green Mickey one is from Creativity and Ink. These are cute. These are all from See Amy Draw. These were the free stickers that came with the Aura Estelle, with this planner actually. So it was a sticker sheet with different planners on it. This was SGS Conference Week, so that seemed fitting. These stickers I got from the conference. I think they're from Dek Designs. This washi is so cute. I got it from the conference. I can't remember who made it. And then the other stickers are from the Happy Planner seasonal fall book. Cute. I don't know where this washi is from. I think it's from Taiwan. My mom got it for me, or I got it a long time ago when I was there. And these stickers were also freebies, and unfortunately I can't remember who they are. If I do, I'll put it in the screen when I edit. All right, last month. So this is that Honeybee Shop washi. This holographic washi is one that I shared with my friend, so she gave me some. These came out really cute. So that same Honeybee Shop spiderweb washi in the lavender, and everything else is from See Amy Draw's Patreon. These are from that Mickey and Minnie seasonal book again. This was really cute. This was some washi I got at the conference, and this was from Little Magic Prints Patreon. It was a paper, but I just cut out the bear. It's cute. And then these were also from her Patreon. These stickers, and this is the Honeybee Shop washi. So this, I had already done my Halloween spreads and the Day of the Dead ones, but I thought this was a fitting like image and mood of how I want to enter 2024 and how I want to end 2023. In the back, I just have some notes, and I swatched my washi. So this is washi all from No White Space stickers. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me while I flip through my B6 dated weekly essential or Estelle planner. And I will have more planner videos, some vlogs coming up in this new year. So until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.